walking into the arena, getting ready for this match. It's gonna be a good one.
What? Before the match? Chair gun piece of trash. You alright, man? You alright? Yeah, not anymore. Hey, Terrell, it's a summer squash, ain't your friend? Every man for himself. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you want some too, boy? Come here.
Sure. What? Oh yeah, you know what time it is. Get up.
What?
No.
You think this is bad? Wait until summer squash.